So my friend Matteus Beus, retro Sega game dev off of the YouTube, sent me his NES to be fixed. You can also find Matt B, he's a lovely guy. Find him on Twitter at Matteus Beus. Sent me his NES, front loader that he had as a nipper. This went off to his cousin. His cousin owned it for a while and then sold it back to him for a £5. In which time his uncle had modified the power, or repaired the power supply. I've repaired that repair. This wasn't working, just the standard cartridge port slot not working properly, but it's all working good now. It's all been boiled, but he wants a bit more done to this, so I got this package through the post today. And what we got. So this is the, is it Tim Worthington made this NES to RGB, or RGB NES. I wonder if it says it on it. It says NES RGB 40 TW for Tim Worthington 2022. I'm not going to take it out to pack it because I don't want to fry any of the chips. So I'm going to be installing it not today. That's a cap kit with a voltage regulator for it. So we're going to fully restore everything in there. Oh, no, this is what I was thinking. Actually, we'll come back to that one in a sec. This one is it's a little PCB that goes inside this SCART socket with a breakout for all of the cables. I'm assuming it goes inside this SCART socket. Yeah. Although that doesn't look like it fits. I'm not entirely sure what's going on here. What is that for? This is exciting though. Right, so we sent the kit came from Old School Consoles. I'll put a link. I'll put a link in the description for their website. And I have to apparently cut one end of this off. The other end will go into the socket that will be mounted on the. It's somewhere. Probably. Oh, there is a blank plate there. I really don't know where this is going to go. I don't know anything about this. I know Long Island Retro's done a really good video on this, and I have watched it in the past, but like with all things, I've forgotten. I want to see what's in here. What? Oh, what is this? What is this all about? Is that self-amalgamating tape? It's very cold in here at the moment. It's about 4 degrees. It's 4 degrees. So this might not be amalgamating like it normally would. I don't know. I'm going to have to look up some guides for this. But this will be fun to build. Your regular. Oh, it's got. Ah, right, okay. So. Is there room for. Right, that goes like that. Oh, maybe that's the audio? Or maybe I don't break anything off of that, cut anything off that lead. And this goes in here. So anyway, that goes on there. It looks like to me, and that audio one goes on there. That's why we've got an audio lead as well. Okay, this is making a lot more sense now. Yeah, the DIN plug goes in there, and the other end will attach to a DIN socket there. Look, there's an audio socket there. That's that one. It's another DIN socket. Why are there 2 DIN sockets? And there are different pins in them. Maybe one's SVHS. possibly. What is this? Voltage regulator. Okay, I reckon because inside the NES here, where the RF modulator is, this section is quite a big modulator that includes part of the power supply. So I wonder if this is to replace it all. What's that doing? It's a breakout board for the RGB socket. That one looks like one for the audio socket. Okay. There's a lot going on in there. Oh, an LED. Okay, so the LED will go on here somehow. Maybe like that. Oh, right. Because the... and the LED... This is clever. The LED will sit in there, like that. You can see that? Oh. So this is going to sit here like this with the sockets on this side, so it'll be at that level. So the sockets will be connected there, and the LED will be here. Oh, I like this. This is clever. This is an optional extra. You could just, I think you can just use like a Mega Drive 2 cable. But yeah, this will be coming up fairly soon. I'm going to try and get this one knocked out within the next couple of weeks. And but I have a bit of research to do first. And that's it, really. Something to look forward to. Cool. Right, I'll put that away for now. One other little addendum. Thank you to Mike over at Retro Tech or Die, who sent me some stickers. Like stickers. Sent me a lot of stickers. I'm not sure. I want to wallpaper my workshop, but thank you anyway. I'll find somewhere nice to put them. I've got a rose tinted Spectrum one up there. I've got Snorker's badge up here, so I might put you up. Can you? So you can just see my Snorker's badge up here, and rose tinted Spectrum holographic sticker there. So I can't fit you on there. I might just put you. I don't know. I'll find somewhere for you. Maybe you can live underneath Snorker's. Try not to put things on the wall itself, because I'm trying not to block. I've already blocked a lot of it, but I painted that wall white to get more light onto the workbench. But I tend to have put things on the wall that block the light. So I'm trying not to do that. You need to send me some smaller stickers, Mike. I'll find somewhere for you. I know I've got some room on my other workbench for the bigger ones. Lovely, thank you very much.